SET application forms have been released online and the last date to fill the SET application form is April 12, 2025. The exam will be conducted in a computer-based test mode. In this video, we will share a step-by-step guide on how to fill the SET application form. Visit the official website of SET, which is set-test.org. Click on the Apply for SET button on the home page. You will be redirected to a new web page. Click on the Register button and an instruction manual will appear. Read the instructions carefully and click on the checkbox. Then click on I agree. You will be redirected to the SET registration form where you will be required to fill in the necessary details such as the name of the applicant, date of birth, gender, mobile number, email ID, category, etc. This year, the SET exam will be conducted on 2 days, that is May 5th and May 11th. Candidates can select either one or both dates for the exam as per their preference. Now, select up to 3 preferred test cities for the selected exam dates and finally upload your photograph in the prescribed format. Click on the checkbox Disclaimer and click on the Save and Continue button. Candidates must carefully fill in the details as they cannot be changed later. A pop-up will appear with your details. Check the details and click OK. Applicants need to enter the validation OTP received on their registered email ID and mobile number. Candidates will receive their SET credentials on their registered email ID and phone number. Now proceed on to paying the SET application fee. The application fee can be paid online using a credit card, debit card, internet banking or UPI. Once the fee has been paid, click on Click here to continue button. Proceed on to the second part of the SET registration. Fill in the required details such as nationality, communication address, past academic details, etc. Now choose the preferred institutes and finally click on Save and Continue. Now proceed to pay the institute's program fee to complete the SET application form. Once the payment is made, take a printout of the application form and fee receipt. This was all about the SET 2025 application process.